Schmidt, DIANNESHMIDT.
Great, thank you. You may take a seat. Please watch your step.
Why Granny here? She wasn't at the incident.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, Ms. Schmidt. You're Emani Ellis' grandmother?
I am.
You're,
Okay, why you here?
you live in Las Vegas?
I do.
And what did you do for a living before you retired?
I work for City National Bank
For how many
here
years?
in LA.
How many years?
Probably 12 years, 13 years. I retired
She better not try to be the witness to that girl having no damn scratch on her face.
from there.
Did you, you are, I'm sorry, straight up. On how many, what type of basis would you see Emani Ellis over the last 8 years?
She tries to come see me every month, unless business takes her other way, elsewhere. She's there almost every month.
What if we go a little further? When she was born in 1992 up until the present,
We don't need to go that far.
I saw her every week. Every week. In fact, when she came home from the hospital, she came to me. Her mother was sick. She was sick for a while, but she came to me every week, and her other sister.
And you were involved in her day-to-day activities, her weekly activities.
Sometimes when she asked or whatever.
Did she ever get in any fights, to your knowledge?
Never. She was always the VA.
Maybe by the manager? Maybe the manager? What? She not the manager. Who, this, the granny? Talking about granny? Satobia?
She always tried to keep things calm. She has 5 brothers and sisters.
This is the security guard's grandmother.
She tries always to keep it. She's the eldest, so.
Do you consider her a peacemaker?
Oh, definitely, definitely.
What is your understanding of how she got the scar to her face?
What is what?
Do you know how Emani Ellis got the scar to her face?
Objection, Life Foundation, leading.
Sustained.
Are you aware that Emani Ellis was assaulted and battered in 2018?
Sustained. Counsel, again, focus on what she knows.
Do you know if Emani Ellis was ever assaulted?
He's saying focus on what she knows. I mean, what does she know? She wasn't there. It is word of mouth. Whatever she heard, it came from her granddaughter, so it's not reliable.
She called me almost after it.
What are some of the changes? Well, strike that. Did you notice a change in Emani Ellis in some point in her life?
Well, after this incident, she was depressed. She was really disappointed. I think she liked Cardi before the incident, and
You know she liked Cardi before the incident. Also, let me rewind that back real quick, because she just said that she called her right after the incident. No, she didn't, Granny. She called her mother after the incident.
she was really disappointed. I think she liked press. Well, after this incident,
What are some of the changes? Well, strike that. Did you notice a change in Emani Ellis in some point in her life?
Well, after this incident,
Oh, okay, that's what she was
she
saying.
was depressed. She was really disappointed. I think she liked Cardi before the incident, and she was shocked that she was reacted that way, and she just was depressed. And every time she relived it, listening to her music on the radio, and it was kind of she couldn't really avoid it. So it affected her because she.
So listening to Cardi B thrive made her mad. This is not a good speech to be telling Granny. It's not giving your granddaughter a good look. It's giving envy, jealous, upset she lost her job, and Cardi ain't nothing happened.
She couldn't make it right.
And the incident you were just telling us about, when approximately did it happen to your knowledge?
Well, it was right after my birthday, but it was, I don't know what the year was, but it was a long time ago.
When was your birthday?
February 16th.
If I told you the incident happened on February 24th of 2018, would
Oh,
that refresh your
Yeah,
recollection?
yeah.
it was right after her birthday too, so she remember that. But I want to know if she's seen a scar on that girl's face and if she's seen it right after.
That sounds pretty clear. I don't know. Is it 2018?
Yes.
Yeah, that's about right.
And you noticed a change in your granddaughter after 2018?
Yeah.
Yeah, she an Aquarius, but she shouldn't be sitting up here. I wouldn't be sitting up here for this. Not if my granddaughter called me in here for this. Get somebody else to do it.
Did you see the scar to Emani Ellis's face?
That's what I was waiting for him to ask. That's what I was waiting for.
4th of 2018.
Objection, Wax Foundation, leaving.
You can answer.
I can't.
She was waiting for that question.
Yeah, I did.
No, she did.
She was, well, she's a pretty girl. She wants to maintain her face, and it was like she felt it
No, she didn't.
damaged her face, and she was trying to make that right.
All right. Now,
When she was trying to make that right. When was she trying to make that right? Because she wasn't trying to make that right, according to her, until after she realized the scar was that it was scarring and she couldn't get rid of the scar, according to her. Granny is sitting here lying.
let's take it from birth, 1992, up until February 24th of 2018.
Okay.
In that time period, did Emani Ellis, to your knowledge, ever sustain a scar to anywhere on her face?
Not that I know of.
Did you ever see a scar during that
Never.
time frame? And after this incident on February 24th of 2018, you with your
You ain't seen no scar when she told you that she had a scar, or you claiming she told you she had a scar either. She went over this story with you to tell them, yeah, she had a scar on the face. Because any other grandmother would have took pictures of that shit. Am I tripping? My grandmother would have been like, she was a celebrity? And this what she did to your face? Click, 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 click. Like, am I tripping? And that girl said they don't have no pictures of this scar. Before she said she took pictures of the scar and she lost the phone or lost the pictures or something. And then they were saying to her, you no longer even have that phone that you had, do you? Like, Granny lying.
own eyes saw the scar to her face?
Oh yeah, I saw it.
Okay. And when she got plastic surgery
Put her in jail.
from Dr. Mulliken, did it improve?
Objection,
Oh.
Wax Foundation.
You can answer.
Yeah, he
And they talking about the scar still. She said that she got that scar checked on or something years later or something. She wasn't able to get the scar fixed until years later. She had to go to a whole nother doctor because her doctor died. How do y'all even know that she got that scar from what y'all saying she got that scar from? Granny lying.
was actually a very good surgeon. He covered it very well.
And it is still present now a little bit, correct?
Very slightly, but she's lucky.
And even after surgery, you still can see the scar. It goes from she scratched my nose to she scratched my face. No, she cut my face. To, oh, it was only 2 centimeters. To now, like, it was so bad of a scar that you still see it after cosmetic surgery? Something else happened to that lady. She probably got into another fight doing some shit that she shouldn't have been doing.
No further questions.
All up in somebody else's face.
Thank you, Your Honor. Hello, Ms. Schmidt.
Hello.
My name is Peter Anderson, and I just have a few questions for you.
Okay.
Thank you for coming in. I take it you love your granddaughter, correct?
Yeah.
And you're here to help her, right?
Well, if I can.
Thank you. And I apologize for objecting. It's one of the things that I have to do in order to
I
be a lawyer.
understand. I
You know.
understand.
But thank you, I appreciate that. And you don't need evidence to believe her. She's your granddaughter, right?
Exactly. Exactly. No, because my grandmother would have been taking pictures of my face.
She either has it or she
This face. She would have been pissed. She would have been taking pictures of this face.
doesn't. I mean, you either see it or you don't.
Okay.
Let alone my grandmother, my mother would have been pissed. She called her mother right after the incident. My mother would have been like, let me see your face.
She was employed as a security guard, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes, but
That's a yes.
yes.
yeah, sometimes it's hard for the court reporter if someone says
Okay.
You knew she was employed as a security guard, and you know that she was fired after the alleged incident with Cardi.
Objection misstates the testimony.
What?
16.
Well, let me go back. You knew that she was employed as a security guard, right?
Yes.
And were you aware she was fired?
Objection calls for speculation.
Over.
That was not no speculation. Were you aware that she was fired? Did you know she got fired, Granny?
You can answer the question. Were you aware that she was fired as a security guard?
It was my understanding she was told that she was going to be fired
Okay.
by Cardi.
Were you aware?
Oh, Target? Why I say Target? She ain't say Target.
That at the time, 2 days after the incident, she apologized to the security guard company for her own misconduct that day of the alleged incident.
I told you she was she's a person that tries to make sure everything is straightened out. So she
That's not the answer to the question. Yes or no, Granny?
apologized for what she saw as a disturbance, I think.
Were you aware that she apologized to the security company that employed her for her own misconduct?
I,
Objection calls for speculation.
Did she ever tell you that?
Over.
no, I didn't discuss that with her.
Did she ever tell you that she told the company that employed her that Cardi scratched her on her nose, not her cheek?
Objection misstates the document.
Over.
Yes, because that's very important. It went from being scratched on the nose to being cut on the cheek by these 3-inch acrylic nails that can't even nobody say they was 3 inches. They didn't even ask Cardi how long was her nails when she was up there.
She didn't tell you that, did she?
What?
She didn't tell you
just
that.
she was like, her finger was all over her face. So I mean, it could be land anywhere.
But did she tell you that she cut her face?
Okay, but you only saw a scar, you say,
On her cheek.
On her cheek. You never saw any scar on her nose, did you?
No, not on her nose. I didn't.
Did you know?
And you also said you only see her probably like once a month. That's what I heard. Talk about some she come by every month. That means she come by probably once a month. She tries to come by probably once a month. So when you saw her and she all of a sudden had this cut on her cheek, when was that? Did you see her the day after she was attacked? Allegedly? No.
Notice the scar on her nose, ma'am?
No.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry, I couldn't quite hear you.
Oh,
And I think that's all the questions that I have for you. Thank you.
All right, you're right.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Are you aware that in the incident report that counsel asked him about,
Are you aware that committing perjury is an arrestable offense?
your granddaughter expressed that the defendant pointed her 3-inch acrylic fingernails into her face?
Objection. Outside the scope.
And here go her stupid ass lawyer keep talking about some into her face. We already established with your own complainant that Cardi B's fingernails were not dug into her face.
Are you aware in the incident report, which counsel represented that your granddaughter apologized, are you aware that she apologized for being belittled?
Objection.
What?
I'm sorry. Objection that mischaracterizes
Right? What?
the document outside the scope.
Assistant.
She apologized for being unprofessional and misrepresenting the company.
Are you aware that she apologized for being called?
Counsel, I'm not sure we established that she knows anything about that statement.
Do you know things about the statement, like the different words that were used against your granddaughter?
And again, it still don't make sense. They keep on trying to say that Cardi called her the N-word. There was other black people in there. The girl at the desk ain't white.
Objection. Hearsay. Argumentative.
Are you aware that your granddaughter was called the N-word?
Objection.
Assistant.
No, she not. She talking about some No, she not.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Do you have anything further?
She already shook her head. Yeah. Don't do that either, Granny. Sneaky.
If your granddaughter apologized, could she have been apologizing for her part of the incident?
Objection. License.
Assistant.
Isn't it true that in every incident there's two parts,
Objection.
and people are responsible for their
Counsel,
side
she's
of
a
the
fact
story?
witness. Do you have any questions about facts?
And why you still talking after he said objection?
Sorry, one moment here. That's all, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right.
Yeah, because your questions were not getting anywhere as usual, as per usual. What the jury got to ask her?
Do you want to write that out, please?
They questions make more sense than his.
To when Miss Ellis called you? Do you know the approximate time?
I really couldn't tell you.
Did she tell you how long ago on that phone call? Did she tell you how long prior to the call that it happened?
Right, that's what I've been asking. And it was a call. They talking about a phone call. She didn't physically see this woman.
Or in other words, should you say this just happened or it happened earlier?
Well, she called me right after.
Right after?
But
What
and
is
she
right
was
after?
humiliated, you know, so
Okay.
she was crying.
Bitch, stop lying. He literally just asked you when. When? How long after? What does right after mean? That's not giving us any type of estimate. When did you see her after she had this alleged attack on her?
Okay. Any follow-up questions?
Did she during that call tell you that she was cut on her face by Cardi B?
Objection.
Assisting.
Yes.
Did she tell you on the call that she...
Counsel, the question was about the time. It's not. We're not going to reopen a new area of testimony.
Okay, Your Honor, I understand. Did she call you the same day of the incident?
Objection. Live foundation calls for speculation. Hearsay.
Overrule.
Your answer?
Yes.
And that was February 24th of 2018?
Yes.
Thank you. No further questions.
Ma'am, could you please give us the last 4 digits of your phone number in 2018? The number that Ms. Ellis would have called?
I had a different phone then. 818.
Do you remember the previous?
Wow.
What was the area code?
Area 818.
Any of the other numbers?
Objection, asked and answered.
I'm sorry, I really don't remember.
I probably couldn't remember mine, but thank you very much.
It took me a long time to remember the first new one.
Yeah,
My bad, my food came. What did I just miss? The jury be having good questions.
any of the other. Do you remember the previous?
Wow.
What was the area code?
Area 818.
Any of the other numbers?
Objection, asked and answered.
I'm sorry, I really don't remember.
I probably couldn't remember mine, but thank you very much.
It took me a long time to remember the first new one.
Yeah, I know how that.
She asking her about her address. All right, we done with Granny?